Hello everyone, my name is Saurish and welcome to another Chakraview devlog. It's been a little over 6 months since I started developing Chakraview and it has come a long way since. I'm gonna discuss all that and make some new announcement too. If you are new to this channel, Chakraview is an action adventure game focused on large and exciting boss fights. I'm developing this in Godot game engine and this is the 11th devlog in the Chakraview devlog series. You can check out previous devlogs in the playlist which I will link below. Okay, let's start now. So I overhauled a lot of things in the game since the last devlog, removed a lot of unnecessary features, cleaned up the code and also the project file. After that, I started working on the boss fights, the main selling point of this game. First I made this snake boss, but it wasn't very fun so I postponed it. So I guess I won't talk about it here. Anyway, moving on. After that I completely overhauled this crappy Senapati enemy AI and gave him new attacks and magic spells. I used the traveling UV technique for swiping VFX and particle system for all the other stuff. Instead of applying any specific logic to the different attacks, I just gave him an attack cycle where it cycles through different attacks when it spots the player. It turned out good. Then I made this mecha bird dragon thing. First I gave it this lava-like skin texture but it wasn't looking that good in-game. Besides, these are supposed to be sentient mechanical beings, not actual living things. So I decided to embrace the mechanical look and it turned out pretty good. I added it in game and gave it some basic attacks and added this fire shader for the environment. This one is still work in progress. Keep in mind all these are in prototype stage and are subject to change. Most of the VFX and animation will also improve in the future. There will be two types of boss fights in this game. The large epic ones like Shadow of the Colossus and the fast paced and pattern based ones like say Monster Hunter, although not that intense. The two boss fights that I showed today belong to the pattern based ones, and next I will start working on the snake again. The snake will be one of the giant epic boss fights. I also worked on environments and I baked all the lights to improve performance and used LODs for the fire particle to improve the frame rate. And while I did all that, I posted new updates regularly. You can check all these videos on my channel. Also, if you like seeing these devlogs or the other CGI stuff that I create, please subscribe and help me reach 1000 subscribers. Okay, moving on. Now for the announcement, I realized that Chakraview is at a point where most of the game mechanics are done and now I just have to add more stuff and start building the actual game and not just prototypes. And there's not much to talk about it anymore, like coding the boss fights and modeling the levels are not that much fun to watch. There are some interesting stuff but I don't want to spoil all the interesting things before the game even launches. So I decided to do less devlogs from now on. Instead of devlogs twice a month, I will make a devlog when a complete area is ready or when I launch the game for beta testing. I hope you guys are cool with it and still support my game. And I will replace the Chakraview devlogs with Vyom devlogs now. Vyom is another little game I am working on and it's just started taking shape. There's so much more to talk about Vyom at this point than Chakraview. So I hope you guys will enjoy the new devlogs about Vyom and every once in a while I will make a devlog about Chakraview too. And the update videos and cinematics about Chakraview will also be posted regularly. And there are some CGI and VFX related stuff on my channel too. So if you like the content that I am making, consider supporting and subscribing and sharing. Alright, see you in the next one.